Hey guys, it's Ivy and it's time for Dollar General's Any Day Deals, guys. Thank you for bearing with me, guys. I wasn't able to post an ad because I was in Tennessee doing my reunion and the stores was flooded. So let's get this one going. Okay guys, we're over here in the aisle with the sauces. First thing we're going to get is the Alfredo sauce because the kids are going to have chicken Alfredo this week. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. They're the ragouts. They are 2 for $4. Let me scan it for you. Okay, $2.25, and they're on sale 2 for $4. So that makes them $2 each. They took off $2.65. Sorry, guys. They took off 65 cents on each one. Now, if you do this on the 5 off 25, you need to cover that 65 cents for each one of those. Okay, let's get to our next deal. I think I'm going to do some of the the spaghetti sauce too. I'm going to do 2 of those. And guys, they are bigger. This is the 24-ounce spaghetti sauce, and Alfredo sauce is 16 ounces. So just be diligent about that's the one you're doing. Now, I want to show you another deal you have, which is an option. They have a couple of freebies going on. Classical. If you buy one at $3, then you get the Clover Valley sauce or spaghetti free. You get that for free, okay? So they're giving you the sauce and the spaghetti. If that is a better deal for you, then do that deal, okay? Do according to your budget, because that is how I do mine, according to my budget. Now, that's also for this Alfredo sauce. If you buy that Alfredo sauce, you can get 1 Clover Valley spaghetti or angel hair pasta for free. And then Taco Bell has a deal. When you buy 2 non-seasoned Taco Bell items and you get the sauce, 1 Taco Bell seasoning for free. So buy 2 of these. Now let me show you another deal, because in our house we have Taco Tuesday. Okay, that's easier for me when my first day back at work. Taco Bell, buy 2 non-seasoned Taco Bell items, you get the seasoning pack for free. Okay, so at home I already have the tortillas and the shells, but I want this kit, which is $3.25. I might get that, or I might get the sauces because I have the tortillas already at home, and then just pick up meat. I think that'll be better, because this one is $3.25 and I need 2 sauces. I'll get a mile and a hot, and then I get this seasoning for free. So $4 plus this for free. If I would have done this one, which does have all of the pieces in it, it's $3.25, but I still would have had to buy 1 more product. Okay, so this is what I want to grab for our meal today. Okay, and I do go off a meal plan, a menu, guys. I don't just come in and willy-nilly and start shopping. Okay, now we got back at this. This is going to be for my son that's going away, that's away in college. I'm going to mail this to him. These are 4 for $4. He's moved into an apartment and moved out of his dorm. So I'm going to do the 4 for $4 for the mac and cheese. These right here. He loves these. I want you guys to look at this deal. This deal was around already, the Velveeta. $5.50. Spend $10, you get 2. They're $5.50 each. It's 2 in this pack. Now, last time I bought this, and I bought the cheese. So you can get this, and then you can get the cheese. Let's scan it and see. Okay, it's $5.50, and it says spend 10 and you'll save $2. So if we buy 2 of those, 11, take your 2 off, 9, divide that by 2 items, you'll pay $4.50. So they took $1 off. So take your pick of which one. Right now, that's not a good deal. That might be if you need this and this, but I don't know. This right here is a better deal. Okay. And then the quick menus, the Chef Boyardee 5 for $5. Those are the 7.5 to 15 ounces. They are 5 for $5. So what ounce is this? 22 ounce. So I'm going to pick up 5 cans of these right here, the raviolis. And I'll start buying foods they can warm up until I'm home. Okay. So grab one of these. So those are ravioli, spaghetti, and meatballs. Okay, I get that one. And instant 5 for $5. Again, if you do this on a 5 off 25, you gotta cover that 25 cents for each one of those, okay? And I eat these right here, the chicken, 2 for $3. $1.50 each, so they took off a quarter. And then the Powerades are 3 for $3. They like them. I'm gonna grab 3 of these sour ones. Is this the sour one? They like the sour ones. Okay, the toaster strudels are $4, but they do have a coupon, guys, for $1 off, making that $3. See, one whole dollar. And the 6 pastries. The kids like to snack on that. It's more of a treat for them than anything. Okay, and now we have our tea back. Remember, they didn't have the sweet tea for a long time, so I'm gonna grab 4 sweet teas, guys. So let's get 4 of them before all the tea run out. We're gonna scan it, and they have a deal. They're $3.60 each. They have a spend 10, save 3, and then an instant 2 for $5. Okay, so that is, they are already 2 for $5, so put $10 off. Take your 3 off, make it 7, divide that by 4. They're $1.75 each. This is probably the best deal they got going on for that tea. I love it when they have it like this. So far, this is how my car is looking right here. Now, let me show you guys something. I'm going to try and get to some clearance, which I'm going to do a visual on. They're starting to load their clearances back up again. So look at all these clearances. They got food, but that's not it. It's tons of stuff on clearance, guys, that you all can take advantage of. One of the do now deals I didn't get to in Tennessee was the Palmolive right here. So the Palmolive in the ad, it is buy 2. It is buy 2 get 1 free. Ajax Palmolive Fabuloso Suavitel. Now remember, scan it, see which ones are on sale. Let's see if it's a sequence. Let's see if it's going to go by a sequence this time or not, okay? Pardon me. Yep, buy 2 get 1 free. So sequence, you're going to put the $4 one up first, and then subsequently follow with your 2 cheaper ones. You push it through, because this one usually don't be on sale. This one usually don't be on sale. $3.95. Oh, okay, a nickel lower, and then that one's on sale. So this is what I would do. That one right there, the Ajax, put that one up first. These 2 Palmolives, put those up last. That's what I would do. That's the deal. That's how I would do that sequence. Yeah, I just want to show you an inflation hike. Fabuloso. It's $5. It was $4.50. Went up. Let's see how do this scan with this, because Fabuloso is included. $5. Buy 2 get 1 free. Now, if you want to, pick up 1 Fabuloso and $5, and then do those 2 Palmolives for $3.95. That's even better deal on that one. So they're gonna take off that. Buy 2, you put the highest one up first. But look at the inflation. Wow. All right, guys, this is it for me. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share this coupon cap. I hope you guys enjoy my Tuesday any day deals, guys. I try to get to some food items or things that we need also besides household items. That's why I do it. Here you go, right here. You guys enjoy. Bye.